Chapters 1 to 3. Those are the chapters of the research paper that are currently being presented to the panelists as we speak. However, just how were they made by the researchers standing in front of you right now? Well, I know how I made my parts.
E di paano mo nagawa?
Nagawa ko yun sa unang-una paghahanap ng reference at pagtingin sa ibang mga research paper. I took a note of references by the form of other studies and another reference by the form of this book, a qualitative research guide for the first year of senior high school written by Pierto et al. Tapos relate ko dun sa ating topic at titingnan ko kung anong relevant at kung paano yun maiiba para magamit natin sa paper natin. I also looked at each and every correction and kept in mind the topic, variables, objectives, and title of our study in order to make and finalize the chapters being presented in front of the panelists right now. Tapos, bukod pa dun, alam ko yung topic natin, paano ba natin ito magagawa, ano yung objectives natin, anong variables natin. Tapos from that, tinignan ko yung format at ayun, nipagtuloy-tuloy ko na lang hanggang mabuo yung research paper. However, I am not the only one who made the paper, as I had help by the form of my group mates. And this is how they made their parts. How would you describe making your part of the research paper?
It's a very long process. Nung bata pa ako, naiisip.
My experience with writing our thesis paper has been pretty hectic due to my poor time management. But nonetheless, I contributed 5 RRLs in the thematic analysis in Chapter 3, as our leader instructed me to do. Despite it being hard at times, it was still pretty fun, especially writing the RRLs. Thank you.
Kaya tinanong ko si Papa. Sabi niya, hindi naman daw siya gumawa ng research paper nung college siya. Sabi ko, paano yun? Mga sa bagong curriculum dito sa education natin. Nung nalaman ko, mga kaibigan ko pa rin nag-research na. Tinanong ko sila. Kaya binigay sa akin chapter 1 at chapter 2 at chapter 3.
Paano mo yun nagawa?
Chapter 3?
Yes.
Sa tulong ng akin mga kaibigan.
How was your experience in making your parts of the research paper?
It's very stressful.
Can you describe the process of you making your parts of the paper?
The leader gave us. The leader instructed us to find 5 analyses. Paraphrase on the abstract. Synthesize it.
Can you describe the process of making your part of chapter 3?
It was the same as my last answer.
Hindi ko yung magagawa kung wala ang tulong nila sa akin.
Paano mo nasabing di mo yun magagawa pag wala kang kaibigan?
Kasi kung may kaibigan ka, magkakapasyon ka gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay.
Our research focuses on how the study was made. So, starting with its significance of the study, it provides a detailed guide for the learners. So, this could help them understand how to properly use artificial intelligence. The goal is to show how AI can be a useful tool. There too, the effects of AI on student outcomes is shown that they can adopt and apply the knowledge they can get through the use of AI. But some people still argue about the consequences you'll get from it. As a method to encourage the participants and get their insights about their experiences on artificial intelligence.